Part I. General to 30. To number of services. A building or other structure a service shall be supplied by only one service unless permitted in 230.20 through D. For the purpose of 230.40, exception no. 2 only, underground sets of conductors, 1/0th AWGN larger, running to the same location and connected together at their supply end but not connected together at their load end shall be considered to be supplying one service. A special conditions. To supply the following: 1. Fire pumps to emergency systems. 3. Legally required standby systems. 4. Optional standby systems. 5. Parallel power production systems. 6. Systems designed for connection to multiple sources of supply for the purpose of enhanced reliability. B. Special occupancies. By special permission. Additional services shall be permitted for either of the following: 1. Multiple occupancy buildings where there is no available space for service equipment and accessible to all occupants to a single building or other structure sufficiently large to make 2 or more services necessary. See capacity requirements. Additional services shall be permitted under any of the following: 1. Where the capacity requirements are in excess of 2000 amperes at a supply voltage of 1000 volts or less. 2. Where the load requirements of a single-phase installation are greater than the serving agency normally supplies through one service. 3. By special permission. D. Different characteristics. Additional services shall be permitted for different voltages, frequencies, or phases, or for different uses, such as for different rate schedules. Identification, where a building or structure is supplied by more than one service, or any combination of branch circuits, feeders, and services. A permanent plaque or directory shall be installed at each service disconnect location denoting all other services, feeders, and branch circuits supplying that building or structure and the area served by each. See 225.37. 230.31 Building or other structure not to be supplied through another service. Conductors supplying a building or other structure shall not pass through the interior of another building or other structure. UC Tour. To 30.6 Conductors considered outside the building. Conductors shall be considered outside of a building or other structure under any of the following conditions: 1. Where installed under not less than 50 mm to in of concrete beneath a building or other structure. 2. Where installed within a building or other structure in a raceway that is encased in concrete or brick not less than 50 mm to in thick. 3. Where installed in any vault that meets the construction requirements of Article 450, Part 3. 4. Where installed in conduit and under not less than 450 mm 18 in of earth beneath a building or other structure. 5. Where installed within rigid metal conduit type RMC or intermediate metal conduit type IMC, used to accommodate the clearance requirements in 230.24 and routed directly through an eave but not a wall of a building. 2.3.7. Other conductors in raceway or cable. Conductors other than service conductors shall not be installed in the same service raceway or service cable in which the service conductors are installed. 230.8. Raceway seal. Where a service raceway enters a building or structure from an underground distribution system, it shall be sealed in accordance with 300.5 G. Spare or unused raceways shall also be sealed. Sealants shall be identified for use with the cable, insulation, shield, or other components. 230.9. Clearances on buildings, service conductors, and final spans shall comply with 230.9 A, B, and C. Clearances. Service conductors installed as open conductors or multi-conductor cable without an overall outer jacket shall have a clearance of not less than 900 mm 3 feet from windows that are designed to be opened, doors, porches, balconies, ladders, stairs, fire escapes, or similar locations. B. Vertical clearance. The vertical clearance of final spans above or within 900 mm 3 feet measured horizontally of platforms, projections, or surfaces that will permit personal contact shall be maintained in accordance with 230.24 B. C. Building openings. Overhead service conductors shall not be installed beneath openings through which materials may be moved, such as openings in farm and commercial buildings. and shall not be installed where they obstruct entrance to these building openings. To 30.10. Vegetation as support. Vegetation such as trees shall not be used for support of overhead service conductors or service equipment.